Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, my dear students, as in previous lecture, I gave homework award to some students. Today also I will give. So, my dear students, watch this video very carefully and do your homework regularly. Okay? So, in previous grammar lecture, as you all know, we have completed grammar revision of chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, my dear students, today we will start our new chapter, that is lesson number 5. The name of the lesson is singular and plural. Yes, it's very easy lesson. You all are studying from first standard, singular and plural. Okay. So, before starting our today's session, I would like to tell you one thought. Education is the best gift one can give or receive. Education is the best gift one can give or receive. Means, you can give education as a gift. For example, if your younger brother or sister doesn't know anything, you can help them. It will be counted as a gift. It will be counted as a sawab. Right? As somebody gives you, your elder brother or sister helps you. So it's a gift of education. Right? So let's start our today's topic, that is singular and plural. What is the topic? Singular and plural. So first, let's see definition. What is a singular and what is plural? A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. What is a plural? A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. You can see here, more than one person, right? Here is only one person, here more than one person. So let me give you easy tip to learn. That is, if any one thing is there, it is a singular, and if more than one is there, it is a plural. See here, only one boy, so it's a singular, and more than one means two boys are here, so this is the plural. So let's see. Singular and plural nouns. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. As I told you before, a singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. Examples: fly, house, box, dream. Now let's see what is a plural noun. A plural noun names two or more people, places, things or ideas. A plural noun names two or more people, places, things or ideas. Plural nouns have many spelling rules. Plural nouns have many spelling rules. That we will see how to make a plural. Okay. What is the basic rule? What is the basic rule to convert any word from singular to plural? How can you change the words from singular to plural? Let's see. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Singular subjects need singular verbs. And plural subjects need plural verbs. Plural subjects need plural verbs. Now let's see. Rule number 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. Rule number 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. You have to add s to make most nouns plural. Let me show you example. Adding s to make plurals. Adding s to make plurals. You can see here. Shoe, shoes. Shoe, shoes. Ball, balls. Ball, balls. Car, cars. Car, cars. Clock, clocks. Clock, clocks. Spoon, spoons. Spoon, spoons. Cup, cups. Cup, cups. So here you can see singular means only one thing and plural means more than one thing. And here I have written S in a red color so you can easily identify what is singular and what is plural. In this column also you can see only one thing means singular and here more than one thing means plural. So this is our rule number 1, by adding s to make most nouns plural. And as I told you all the examples, you can see here s. Okay. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2, add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. So rule number 1 was most nouns makes plurals with adding s. But if the spellings ends with s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Remember my dear students, you all are sitting with your book and pencil, so note down this point that the spellings which ends with s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. So you have to add es to make it plural. Let me show you example here. Nouns that end in ch, sh, x, s or z add es for the plural. See here, fox, foxes. This ends with x, so I have add es. Fox, foxes. Now, rule number 3. When a noun ends with a consonant and y. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. Let me show you example. Nouns ending in a consonant plus y make the plural by changing y to ies. Cherry, you can see here. Consonant and ending with y. RR, consonant ending with y. So, cherries. Y turns into I. Y turns into I. So you have to write IES, cherries, 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 cherry, cherries. Then see here some more examples. This is the singular and this is the plural. As I told you before, if only one thing is there, that is singular, and if more than one, that is plural. See here, bunny, bunny. So, double N is a consonant sound. The spelling ends with Y. So, what you have to do? It turns into IES. Bunnies. Bunny, bunnies. Then, pony. N is a consonant sound. Y ending with Y. So, you have to change it into IES. Ponies. Then, story. R. Story. R. R is a consonant sound and spelling ending with Y. So you have to use IES. Stories. Okay. When nouns end with Y, we add IES to make plurals. But that was the rule of consonant sound, that if before Y there is a consonant sound, the spelling will be changed with IES. But remember this, but if there is a vowel before the Y, then S is added. If there is a vowel before the Y, then S is added. You can see here. Monkey, monkeys. E is a vowel. So here only S. Monkey, monkeys. So now let's see rule number 4. Plural, rule number 4. When words end in AY, EY, IY, OY and UY, add an S to make the plural. As in previous slide I told you, if there is a vowel before the Y, then S is added. And if consonant is there, add IES. But if vowel is there before Y, you have to add S. So let's see. When words end in AY, EY, IY, OY and UY, means A, E, I, O, U, that all are vowels. Add an S to make the plural. 1 donkey, 2 donkeys. See here, EY. So you have to add S. Then day, days. Key, keys. Play, plays. Boy, boys. Delay, delays. Guy, guys. You can see here. AY, EY, again AY, OY, AY and UY, means all vowels. A, E, I, O, U. See here. Day, days. Key, keys. Play, plays. Boy, boys. Delay, delays. Guy, guys. Now let's move to the next rule. Rule number 5. When words end in F or FE, change the F or FE to a V before adding ES. Means here you have to add ES to make a plural, but before adding ES you have to use V. Means you have to add VES. What you have to add to make a plural? VES. But why? If the spelling, if the words end with F or FE. Okay. Let's see the example. 1 knife. 1 knife. Here you can see FE. So you have to cut FE and you have to write 2 knives. 2 knives. VES. Right. Then leaf. Leaf. Leaves. Leaf. Leaves. Half. House. Half. House. Wife. Wives. Wife. Wives. Life. Lives. Life. Lives. Hoof. Hooves. Hoof. Hooves. Thief. Thieves. Thief. Thieves. So when words end end in F or FE, change the F or FE to a V before adding ES. In short, you have to add VES if the words or spelling ends with F or FE. Okay, let's see again. Leaf, leaves. Half, house. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Hoof, hooves. Thief, thieves. So, let's move to the next slide, that is rule number 6. Rule number 6. When a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add ES to make the plural. A spelling which ends with A and comes after a consonant means before O, if there is a consonant, it will be end with ES. Okay, let's see. One tomato. One tomato. See here. O spelling ends with O and before that there is a consonant means T. So you have to add ES. Two tomatoes. Two tomatoes. Cargo. Cargo. Cargos. Cargo. Cargos. Mango. Mangoes. Mango. Mangoes. Echo. Echoes. Echo. Echoes. Volcano. Volcanoes. Volcano. Volcanoes. Flamingo. Flamingos. Flamingo. Flamingos. Mango. Mangoes. Hero. Heroes. Torpedo. Torpedoes. Torpedo. Torpedoes. Let's revise it. Rule number 6. When a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add ES to make the plural. One tomato. Two tomatoes. Let's see some more examples. Cargo. Cargos. Echo. Echoes. Volcano. Volcanoes. Flamingo. Flamingos. Mango. Mangoes. Hero. Heroes. Torpedo. Torpedoes. So, let's see some plurals. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. Some nouns we cannot change. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. You can see here. Deer, deer. If one deer is there, you have to write deer only. If two deers are there, you have to write deer only. Okay. Then, let's see some more. Woman, women. Only one is changed. A to E. One woman, two women. Okay. Same in men. One man, two men. What is the difference? Only A to E. If singular is there, you have to write A. If plural is there, means more than one, you have to write E. Then person, people. If one is there, you have to write person. But if more than one, you can say people. If only one is there, you have to write person. If more than one is there, you have to write people. Some nouns have different plurals. Some nouns have different plurals. Let's see. Child. Children. You have to remember all these things. There is no rule to change this. You just have to remember. Okay. Child. Children. Child. Children. Men. Men. You can see here only the spelling difference. Before this I told you. Okay. Man. Men. Tooth. Teeth. tooth, teeth. Then here again comes singular and plural. Foot, fit, foot, fit. Woman, 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 woman. Mouse, mice, mouse, mice. So my dear students, some nouns have different plurals which you have to remember. See here, this is the column of singular, this is the column of plural. Here also singular and plural. So as I told you, singular means only one thing and plural means more than one thing. So let's revise it again. Child, children. If one is there, child, more than one is called children. If one is there, man. If more than one, man, M-E-N, man. Tooth. If one is there, tooth, more than one, teeth. Foot. If one is there, foot, more than one, fit. Woman. If one is there, woman, more than one, women, M-E-N. Mouse. If one is there, mouse, more than one is called mice. So my dear students, let me show you the summary of the lesson. All the basic rules. Rule 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. Rule 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. Then we have seen examples. Then rule 2. Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Then we have seen example, fox, foxes. Then rule number 3, when a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. Let me show you example, cherry, cherries. Some more example we have seen, and rule number 3 and 4 both are connected with each other. So when nouns end with y, we add ies to make plurals if consonant is there before y. But if there is a vowel before the y, then only s is added. If there is a vowel before the y, then s is added. That is our next rule, rule number 4. When words end in ay, ey, iy, oy and uy, add an s to make the plural. That is all vowels, a, e, I, o, u. If spelling ends with y and before the y there is a vowel, you have to add just s. Okay. Then rule number 5. When words end in f or fe, change the f or fe to a v before adding es. When words end in f or fe, change the f or fe to a v before adding es. For example, one knife, two knives. One knife, two knives. Then rule number 6. When a word ends in an o and comes after a consonant, add es to make the plural. When a word ends in an o and comes after a consonant, add es to make the plural. For example, one tomato, two tomatoes. Right? So, then after that we have seen some plurals. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. That is dear, 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 dear. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. Then some nouns change with only one letter. Woman, women. You can see here A, E. If only one is there, woman, two is there, women, women. Okay. Same in men. If one is there, man. If more than one, men, man. Then person, people. Then some nouns have different plurals that you have to remember. There is no rule for that. Some nouns have different plurals. We have seen here singular and plural. Child, children, man, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, woman, women, mouse, mice. Then this is the summary of rules. Add s to make most nouns plural. Examples: letters, papers, kids, pots. Add s to make most nouns plural. Examples: letters, papers, kids, pots. Then add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Adding es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Examples: latches, tosses, boxes, tomatoes, bushes. Then rule number 3, when a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. Examples: baby, babies, lady, ladies, butterfly, butterflies. What is the rule? When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. Example: baby, babies, lady, ladies, butterfly, butterflies. So my dear students, this was our today's lesson number 5, singular and plural. So now this is the time to show homework award, to give you homework award, a most awaited time of yours, right? So let's see who got today. Homework award goes to Hasmani Saima. Congratulations to Hasmani Saima for doing regular homework. Congratulations to Hasmani Saima for doing regular homework. This is by Khushbu Miss. Then next homework award goes to Jamani Nurul. Jamani Nurul. Congratulations to Jamani Nurul for doing regular homework in English and grammar. Congratulations to Jamani Nurul for doing regular homework in English and grammar. This is by Khushbu Miss. So my dear students, as in previous lecture I told you that every day I will take turn by turn every student's name. So keep continuing homework, doing regular homework and send it to the given teacher's numbers. So I can get your name and I can take your name in the lecture. I can give you homework award. So congratulations to Hasmani Saima and Jamani Nurul. So my dear students, I hope you enjoyed today's session. If regarding this session, if you are having any doubt, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. We will meet in our next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.